Well, shelling on part of the Pakistani forces that continues as far as when it comes to India's borders are now concerned. There have been mortars as far as what has now been recovered post this continuous firing, and especially areas like Kupwara and Poonch that have now bore the brunt, the maximum brunt of the artillery firing that has been taken up by when it comes to the Pakistani forces, civilian targeted along the LOC after Operation Sindoor. Pradeep, the maximum brunt that has been borne as far as when we take a look at these pictures that have been coming in, civilians have not been spared. And even when it comes to Poonch and areas which have not witnessed such kind of firing before, these are the locations where Pakistan resorted to non-stop firing.
See, for the last 13 days, we have seen that there was a small arms firing. But after Operation Sindoor, Pakistan was completely rattled. They had not thought that with such a magnitude, the operation will be conducted by Indian Army. And this time, they are not going to target terror training camps in Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir, but they will be targeting the heart of Lahore, where they will be hitting out at Murid-Ke, Lashkar headquarters. And most of the people know that 80% of the Pakistan Army is Punjabis. And then Nawaz Sharif and Shahbaz Sharif also from Punjab. So this has been a very big humiliation for them, because they never thought that the area that is well entrenched and well guarded will be targeted in such a manner by India, where they will be able to decimate and demolish terror den. That's one of the reasons that now what they are doing. Look at the approach of Indian Army. Indian Army is going after terror, and what they are doing, they are targeting innocent unarmed civilians. Instead of targeting Indian armed forces, they are targeting women and children. Many women and children have lost their lives. 15 people have lost their lives. More than 60 are said to be injured. One soldier was also martyred. You rightly said, if we talk about this Poonch district, that has faced the maximum brunt of Pakistan shelling and artillery firing, and because of which one Gurdwara also got damaged. 3 people who were there inside, they also lost their life. And there had been also shelling going on in Kupwara sector, in Akhnur sector. So they are trying to escalate situation along a line of control, because they want to internationalize Kashmir issue. One thing is
so
clear,
the statement
Pakistan
coming from the forces, which speaks of during the night of May 7 and 8, Pakistani army posts resorted to unprovoked fire using small arms and artillery guns across the LOC in areas opposite Kupwara, Baramulla, Uri and Akhnur areas in Jammu and Kashmir. Indian army has responded proportionately. Now,